You need one 50 centimeter length of cord and 8 20 centimeter lengths. Fold the 50 centimeter length in half. I'm using a macrame board, which I've covered for aesthetic reasons, and these pins, it makes small jobs much easier. Fold a 20 centimeter length in half and place it underneath. Fold another 20 centimeter length in half. Place the one end underneath those two ends and put this one through the loop. And then pull those ends. And push them up, leaving a little space so you can attach something else to hang it from your tree. Or hang it from whatever you want to hang it from. Cut the ends. This is the top of the Christmas tree, so these are going to be the narrowest. And then give them a little bit of a comb. Before going on to the next step, I would use a little stiffen quick and put it on the branches and let it dry before attaching the next branches. That will give your piece a little bit more shape when you're done. Take another 20 centimeter length. This time we'll place it this direction underneath the cords. And take another and place it under those ends and then through that loop. And pull. Oops. Push it up, but not actually touching that next one. And then cut the ends, and I'm going a bit wider. And comb those out. Take another one, and this time I'm going to the left. And now I'll cut them a little bit wider again. It's always good to give them another pull just to hold them in place, and then give it a nice comb out. And then one more. And then cut one more time. Trim the ends of your branches. I'm using a little bit of twine and I'm feeding it through this little hole. I'm going to tie a little knot. Just an overhand knot. I got these little ornament hangers at the dollar store, and then I hooked the ornament hanger onto that. If you like, use a 50 centimeter length of twine, holding it like this. Make a loop and then wrap the long end around the back. You're going to wrap it around. Several times. This is the gathering knot. I'll pop up a video that's more detailed of how to do this knot. And again, you don't have to do this. I'm going to do it that many times, about 5 or 6 wraps. Take the end, put it through that loop, and then you pull this top cord. I'm going to tug on that a little bit. When you pull this, it's going to pull this little bit in behind these wraps. That's why it's called the gathering knot. It's kind of gathering all those cords together. And I'm just going to push it up to the bottom of that last little branch detail. And I'm just going to cut off the ends. and cut off the excess cord.